Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to navigate to your browser history on Safari. So if you are new to iPhone and you don't know where to find your browser history on Safari, here's how to find it. Open the app. You have to click on the three dots at the bottom right corner. Now click on bookmarks. Here you have to click on this dot at the top, the clock icon. And here you're going to see all your history. It stacks them by date by default. So if you want to see them, just click on the dates and it will expand and show you your history. So that's how you navigate to your history on Safari. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.